2020 Big Brother Naija has just begun, and in today's video, I will share with you all the 2020 pictures, names, age, and background. Coming right after this. So if today is your first time of being in my channel, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload more amazing video like this one. The first housemate is Ozo. His real name is Ozo Mina Ozo Shuku. He's a first-class economic graduate who says he's a bit laid back. The 27-year-old consultant and entrepreneur plans to bring a lot of mischief to the house. The second housemate is V. V is 23 years old, British-born Nigeria. His real name is Victoria V. Adeyele. She says she is going into the house to make people laugh, have fun, and just be the life of Biggie's house. She says she's also very competitive, which means she is in the game to win. V is also a singer, and she says she has not been in a relationship for the past 6 months. She said every other thing in the house is a counterfeit. And lastly, V also said she's more likely going to get involved in a conspiracy in the house. The third housemate is Prince. His real name is Nezimeweren Prince, and according to him, he said he's the son of a king. He said he's a very hardworking person. However, he is an introvert and extrovert. He said he's bringing dance moves to the Friday night party, and he believes he is in the show to win the money. He also wants viewers to expect the unexpected from him. The fourth housemate is Lilo. His real name is Boluwatife Lilo Aderogba. He's 23 years old and is a dietitian. He also says she's a go-getter and a goal-driven person. Even though she does not like people being in her business, she likes to be in charge. She hates people who does not know how to mind their business. The fifth housemate is Tricky T. His real name is Temi Sinclair. He loves food and is not a fan of proud people. He said he does not fit in with society. He already knows he'll be getting into a lot of trouble because of his outspokenness. The 33-year-old creative artist said he also wants everyone to watch out for his dance moves. The sixth housemate is Lucy. His real name is Lucy Acien and is a 30-year-old entrepreneur from Lagos. Even though she likes her space, she says she lights up the room whenever she enters a place. Lucy says she will be bringing all the vibes and fun in the house. The seventh housemate is Kidwanya. His real name is Tessa Kidwanya and he is 27 years old, self-employed indigene of Benue State. He said he is funny and loves to party. He says he's bringing all the ingredients to marinate the show. He, however, hates spiders. He believes his confidence is mistaken for arrogance. The eighth housemate is Dorothy. His real name is Dorothy Bashaw. She says she does not vibe with pride people. She is 24 years old entrepreneur, and she said she will be causing wahala in the house. She, however, says she is mainly interested in the money but also will be shooting her shot in the house. The ninth housemate is Praise. His real name is Praise Nelson and is a 28-year-old dance instructor. He said he's an easygoing person. He was a winner at the K-Pop World Festival, South Korea 2015, and won 3rd place at the National Dance Competition in 2010. He said he loves food and will bring life to the house. The 10th housemate is Watoni. His real name is Florence Watoni Anyansi. She speaks Swahili, loves music, and will be bringing fun to the house. He's a fashion entrepreneur, and she says she's open to finding a relationship in the house. So I will stop here for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment on the next topic you want me to make a video on. I love you all. See you on the next one.